Right now, inside your body, something invisible is happening. Most people don't realize that fat loss isn't a random battle you fight. It's a conversation your body holds with itself. A hidden permission system quietly decides whether fat can be burned or locked away. And here's the part most people miss. This system isn't broken, it's intelligent. Because what happens next will change everything about how you think of your own metabolism. Imagine a warehouse inside you, filled with yellow-orange fat cells, each one a locked container. For years, some of these locks have been reinforced. Cortisol, stress signals, and inconsistent habits whispering to your cells, hold on, don't release. But you're about to shift that narrative. Walking, simple, consistent, rhythmic walking, acts like a messenger, moving through your internal hallways, telling each lock, it's safe to open now. Inside your body, the moment you start walking, subtle signals awaken first. Your heart rate increases just slightly, sending pulses of blood along your internal highways. Nutrients and oxygen surge toward your muscles. But more than that, tiny hormonal messengers begin their journey. Insulin eases, cortisol softens, and a gentle permission pulse reaches fat cells that haven't released energy in weeks, maybe months. This is where most people stop and think, walking? That's it? But this is where it starts. As you continue moving, your muscles demand energy. Fat cells respond, but only those that recognize the new safe signal. You might not feel it, but inside, enzymes, tiny molecular tools, approach the fat cells like keys finding locks. Each turn releases a stream of fatty acids. Watch this. Glowing particles leave the cells and flow through your bloodstream, racing toward your working muscles. Energy shoots into your mitochondria, lighting them up like tiny solar panels suddenly absorbing sunlight. Your body is rewiring itself with every step. The hidden permission system you've never seen before begins to shift. Previously locked fat cells are now responsive. Blood flow intensifies, not in a random burst, but in a controlled, intelligent surge that balances fuel delivery to muscles, organs, and the brain. You're not forcing your body to act. That's the power of consistent walking. Now, here's the part most people miss. This isn't just about burning calories. This is about signaling your body to trust you again. Trust that you'll keep showing up, that you're consistent, that you're not threatening survival. Inside, cortisol levels drop. Stress signals calm. The lock on stubborn fat loosens. Your body begins to operate on a new internal logic. Yes, it's safe to release energy now. You feel lighter, not just externally, but internally, as if the warehouse doors have started to creak open, just a little, inviting movement again. Early in this process, you may feel effort. That's normal. Muscles glow with internal activity as energy streams in. Blood vessels pulse, showing motion lines of nutrient flow. Fat cells shrink slowly, releasing their contents in a controlled manner. Your metabolism doesn't flare up. It adapts. It learns the rhythm. Each walk reinforces a feedback loop. Safe behavior, lower stress, responsive fat cells, energy available, stronger adaptation. And here's where it gets interesting. The brain participates too. Dopamine subtly rises with movement, reinforcing motivation. This isn't about willpower. It's about internal alignment. Walking repeatedly signals, I am consistent, I am predictable, which is exactly what your body needs to flip the fat-burning switch. You are teaching your body trust, step by step, minute by minute. As you reach the peak phase of this internal process, the effect multiplies. Fat cells that were previously resistant now open with glowing motion, releasing energy in a torrent that flows through your blood highways. Muscles absorb this energy, lighting up mitochondria like a city at night. Your internal pathways are alive. You feel effort, yes, but also a deep intuitive satisfaction as your body responds exactly as it's designed to. But let's pause and consider the contrast. On the left side of this internal split screen sits an inactive body. Locked fat cells, sluggish blood flow, nervous stress signals, all silent, heavy. On the right side, your active body flows, energy in motion, fat cells responsive, hormones circulating in smooth arcs. This visual is subtle yet powerful. Walking is not random. It's a precise signal that rewrites patterns over time. After the walk, your body doesn't just stop. Internal adaptation continues. Fat cells remain slightly more responsive. Blood flow gradually returns to baseline, but the pathways stay primed. Energy usage continues silently. Your body is now operating in a safer, more efficient mode. The previously hidden permission system has shifted. It trusts you, and it will continue to allow fat release for future activity. You might think, I just walked, that's all. But this is where most people miss the nuance. It's not the single walk that matters. It's the repeated, consistent signal over days, weeks, months. Each step reinforces the message to your body. You can trust me. Release energy safely. Over time, this rewiring optimizes your metabolism. Your fat storage is no longer defensive. It's cooperative. Research supports this subtle dance. Studies show that low to moderate intensity walking improves fat oxidation and lowers cortisol over weeks. Blood flow patterns adjust, insulin sensitivity improves, and enzymes that unlock stored fat become more active. Think of it like rewiring a city grid. Consistent signals over time allow energy to flow freely, reducing congestion, boosting efficiency, and restoring balance. But what happens if you don't do this? If you sporadically walk or skip activity, your body remains cautious. Fat cells stay locked. Stress signals linger. Metabolism doesn't trust your intentions. Your body is not punishing you, it's protecting itself. This is subtle but critical. Understanding your body's intelligent logic changes your perspective from frustration to strategy. You're not fighting your body, you're learning its rules. With continued walking, transformation emerges. Fat cells gradually shrink. Internal energy pathways glow more efficiently. Muscles absorb energy quickly. The hidden permission system recalibrates fully. Cortisol remains in a healthy range. Hormonal signals circulate smoothly, and your metabolism operates on an optimized rhythm. The shift is almost imperceptible externally, but inside, your body hums with coordination. Your body isn't broken, it's responding. Walking is more than movement. Every step reinforces trust. Every consistent rhythm rewires fat cells. Every glowing particle inside your bloodstream is a testament to adaptation. Over time, what was once resistant becomes responsive. The warehouse of fat cells gradually opens under your guidance. Now watch this. The next time you walk, your body will anticipate efficiency. It will deploy enzymes faster. Blood flow will prioritize active tissues. Fat cells will release energy without hesitation. Internal trust strengthens, and each walk compounds the last, building a resilient, adaptive metabolic system. By the time you end your walk, you feel calm, yet internally, activity continues. Energy flows smoothly. Fat cells remain responsive. Hormones circulate evenly. Your body has learned trust. You've signaled consistency. You've unlocked the hidden potential of fat-burning pathways. So reflect for a moment. What surprised you most about this internal dialogue? Was it that your body has a permission system? That fat cells respond to trust? Or that walking, a simple, low-intensity habit, can initiate such profound internal rewiring? Every step matters. Every consistent walk teaches your body trust. Every glowing particle of energy confirms that adaptation is happening. Walking isn't just exercise, it's communication. It's your body saying, I recognize your reliability. I will cooperate. And this changes everything about how you approach fat loss. No more forcing, no more frustration, just a consistent rhythm, a step-by-step internal conversation, and the profound realization your body is responding. Walking is the signal. Consistency is the key. Trust is the reward.